Hey, this is Pat, coming to you about Rugged Ridge's new max terrain fender flares for the JT and the JL. These flares on the front here give you a massive amount of wheel opening. This is taller than the Rubicon flare, so it's raising the flare height quite a bit. It's opened up this wheel well quite a bit. There's no inner liner in here, so you get maximum stuff on your trails when you're out doing articulation and four-wheeling. They also come with the incorporated DRL that's in these. This is a plug-and-play DRL, so you're not gonna have to do any alterations to the wiring in your vehicle. These are all bolt-on. It's a full set of 4 with the hardware and the light. They're coming into the market around $600 for the full set. Right, so what makes this really different from other flares that you're seeing is it's not a steel material. It is a plastic material, so it's gonna be durable. It's the clearance is the biggest piece on here. The fact that you can get a much larger wheel and tire and functionally use that in the market when you're out in the woods or out on your adventures, a lot of the different fenders you see are still gonna be restrictive to that. So we expect to have these flares available for you in probably about the second quarter of 2020. So this is an option that's gonna be available for everybody very soon.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.